This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID email address without losing anything. So you can do this on your iPhone, your iPad, or really any device. All you have to do is go on over to a web browser, and you can go to two different URLs. You can go to where it says account.apple.com. You can just type it in right there. So account.apple.com or Apple ID. .apple.com, that works too, and then we can just hit go and it'll bring you to this page. So you're gonna have to sign in with your password, or if you have your iPhone, you just sign in with your Face ID, and then you don't have to type anything in. And then at the top of the screen we can go to email and phone number right here. You can see my email address in here. I think once we add a new email address right here, we can delete the primary email address. So you can just hit the plus icon, type in your new email address right here, add a new email address, and it's going to send you a verification code to that email address. Once you have that verified, you should be able to delete your old one. So you can just hit this right here, change your Apple ID right there. So you can just change it right there too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.